Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see another Redis tutorial in Laravel. So today we are going to see how to delete in Laravel. So now let's get started. So that's the task list we are working on. So here you can see I'm having delete button, and let me show you database as well. So that's the table is used to display the task list data. So now let's see code. So first in web.php, you can see for delete, I have created one root for delete and it's going to task controller delete. So now let me show you task list as well. So here in task list, you can see I am having one button delete, and on click of that, I'm calling one function delete row, and id is passed. After that ajax is called, and in ajax url is same delete that I have just shown you with id, and in success response is console and error as well. So now let's go to web, and here task controller destroy function. So let's go to task controller destroy. So as of now you can see I have just get the task with where id and deleted that. So now let's go and delete from redis as well with task id, and from list as well we will see but later. So I'm just deleting from redis particular id. So now after delete, let's send the response. So write return response json. So here write just task delete in, else data send as blank. Now write handle else as well. If it's not deleted, then also send response. So here write message, let's say task not deleted, and let's say send 400. So now let's delete from list as well. So write first redis delete, and again get all tasks and reset the list. So now let's go and check in browser. So let's delete first entry. So if I'll click on delete, okay, I have not reloaded the page or any success I have not given. So now let's check in db. So now 12 to refresh. So now you can see 11 entries. So now entry is getting deleted. So if I'll refresh here, you can see first entry is gone. So now on delete, let me just add a location reload so that we can reload this page. So on success, write location dot reload, and now let's go and again check in browser. So now let's delete again production planner. So now you can see it's deleted and list is again resetted. So let's check in db. So now 10 entries. So now we can delete any. So now let's delete redis edit tutorial. So now you can see it's deleted. So that's all in this video. I've showed you a complete CRUD in Redis and Laravel. So I hope you like this video. If you haven't done, please comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'll show you how to pipeline data in your Redis. So thank you so much for watching.